Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to paint my BTS Love Maze inspired design. This is a very purple design that is very representative of BTS and ARMY, so without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to be applying base coat. I'm using Peel Off base coat, which I always leave linked in the description box. And then I'm going to be painting my index, middle, and ring fingernails a navy blue, and the rest of my fingernails a matte glittery purple. Next, I'm going to be applying liquid latex on the skin around the nail shown here. And then I'm going to be doing a radial gradient with the dark navy blue in the middle and the glitter purple around it, and then I'm just going to sponge that onto the 3 nails that we have prepped. Peel off the latex barrier to reveal your beautiful gradient. Then I'm going to be top coating these 3 nails to smooth over the surface so we can prep for the design. I'm just adding an iridescent glitter topper on top of my thumb and pinky fingernails. These glitters are square shaped so they look like shards of the mirror. Now I'm going to be drawing the middle fingernail design, which is the focal point of this entire nail art design, and this is inspired by the line 두 손 놓치면 안 돼, which means can't let go of each other's hands. So of course I had to draw 2 hands that are holding onto each other very desperately or very tightly. So I'm using 2 flesh tones to really mark the difference between the 2 hands. If you're very good with shading, you can use the same flesh tone, but there are a lot of limitations with nail polish, and I didn't want them to get too muddied, so I used 2 colors just to show more contrast and to show where the hands actually are. And I used brown polish to add a bit of shading and to separate the fingers. I also added a bit of highlight and a purple glittery heart underneath the hands. For the index fingernail, I'm going to be using black polish first to draw a maze pattern, and of course this is related to the title of the song, which is Love Maze. And so I did this on the index and ring fingernails, but I'm not going to show you guys how I did it on the ring fingernail since it's pretty much the same technique. And on top of these black lines, I use a shimmery glittery purple, and basically what this does is it makes the lines stand out more. And now I'm just top coating the design to seal everything in. So that is it for my BTS Love Maze inspired nail art design. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye everyone!